Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Okay, I'm firing up the Camp Chef Grill. I'm going to be making my favorite Philly cheese subs. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how these Philly cheese subs come out doing the JP style. Check it out. Let's go ahead and start prepping for this Philly cheese sub. So here are my ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have a whole onion, I got a green pepper, I got a yellow pepper, got several mushrooms, I got a jalapeno. I'm going to throw this in there because I like jalapenos. Got some Swiss cheese that I put back in the refrigerator. And we're going to season these vegetables, and we're also going to season the meat with our J.P.BBQ. This is an all-purpose blend of kosher salt, coarse ground pepper, and granulated garlic. Some of the best all-purpose blend that you can get. If you're interested in any of these products, guys, there'll be a link right here that'll take you to my website. If you guys go to my website, it'll have all these products that I sell. These things I sell, and they help support this channel because, you know, I like to cook, and you know, and I like to help show other people how to cook. It's so easy to cook in your own house. But anyway, we're gonna start off with an onion. Take my knife and just cut these ends off of it. You know, I like trimming a little bit right here, and that'll take this outer shell of the onion out. Cut this bad boy in half. And what I'm looking for in my onions and all of my ingredients, I'm not looking for short little diced up pieces. And what I mean by diced up pieces, you know, those are small little diced up pieces. No, I want nice long cuts in my vegetables, because I'm going to saute these and put them inside my meat with my to make my Philly cheese sub. I'll saute these onions, won't come out good. And hey, take the green pepper, cut this little portion out on the inside. And there's so many ways that you can cut these vegetables. You know, it's up to you how you want to cut them. You know, heck, if you want to just cut right down the middle, cut right down the middle. Don't make no difference. So get these seeds out of there. You want to get these bell peppers also cut in long lengths like this. So that's what you're looking for, something like that. Nice long length, because you know, a sub is long. So we might as well make our vegetables, you know, long as well. Yeah, at least that makes sense to me. But you do what you want. Haven't had a yellow pepper in such a long time. I like these. Sometimes they come out sweet. And just do the same thing. Cut these up. Nice long lengths like that. Throw them in there and you're good to go. You know, and I'm just about done cutting all my ingredients. You know, I got a jalapeno. I got these mushrooms to do. Do the same thing to them. And we're going to have some nice, delicious subs. You know, I call them Philly cheese subs because they're going to be long strips of meat. But hope I don't get anybody upset. Say, oh, that's not a Philly cheese. You know, some of them people over there get a little, you know, touchy and say, oh, that's not a Philly cheese sub. This is how you make a Philly cheese sub. Well, you know, if you're a YouTuber, you got a Philly cheese sub you want to show it to me. I'll be excited to see it. You know, just link me to it. Say, yo, JP, here's how you make a Philly cheese sub. I'll be like, okay, show me. But this is how JP makes his Philly cheese sub. Now, this jalapeno right here, now look at that. When you see a jalapeno like that, that's got all of those little lines running through it, that's usually an indicator that this bad boy is going to be hot. I hope not, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to cut these also into long strips, and maybe I'll cut them in half. That way I can tell the difference between everything else. There we go. And we're down to the mushrooms, guys. Cut some of these mushrooms like this. Yes, sir. Look at that. Woo-wee. That looks good. Nice, thick mushrooms. Gotta be careful here. I didn't put my liner in my glove. Make sure I don't cut myself. There we go. Let's see if we do this. Yes, sure. I like this knife. Put that in there. I like mushrooms. Got me a chunk of meat right here. I've used this cut of meat before to make other kinds of foods. Carne guisada. This is a very good cut of meat for it. Nice and tender, and it's just thick. And for the price, you can't beat it. So I'm going to be using this chuck pot roast to make these Philly cheese subs. But before we do that, we got to get it trimmed up and we got to get it sliced very thin. We're gonna try to get this as thin as we can, and we're gonna trim first some of this excess. I don't know what they call it, snowy skin, silver skin. Just ain't no good. It's you know, it won't break down into anything. So we're just gonna cut that off. And I'm probably not using the right knife for it, but this is the knife I got. There we go. We're gonna get this silver skin taken right off. You know, you see that stuff right there? That just, you know, that won't be no good. And there's not much on here. It does have some fat. You look right here, you know, a little bit of fat ain't gonna do you anything. You know, that'll work. You know, some nice thick cut of meat. Heck, you can probably make a steak out of that thing. Look at that. Yummy. That looks good, don't it? So we're gonna cut this into long strips and just trying to look and see which way the grain, because there's such different kinds of mussels right here. So these look like they're going this way. So I'm probably gonna cut it this way to make into these nice long strips. Here we go. And we'll get this cut up and try to make some Philly cheese subs out of it. You know, they may just turn out to be just regular old steak subs, but it don't matter. They're gonna be good. So I'll get this meat cut up for you guys. You see what I'm talking about? Just long little strips like that, about what you want. And we're gonna, let me cut this little bit of fat off right here. Cut that fat. And what we're gonna do is season it with our J.P.BBQ. Oh man, this stuff smells good. Every time I pop this bottle open, I love the smell. So just, you can put as much as you want or as little as you want. And get this meat seasoned up. So go ahead and put this meat in there. Look at that meat right there, guys. Woo wee. Yes, sir. Get this meat cooked up. Boy, that's a lot of meat. See how it comes out. You ever seen anything that good looking? Man, you put a little bit more J.P.BBQ on there. There we go. A little bit of olive oil. And let's just start cooking the meat. I hope it comes out good. The meat looks good, that's for sure. But whether it's gonna be like a true Philly cheese, I don't know. Nah, probably not. But it's still gonna be good. Philly cheese JP style, what it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw these vegetables in there. Put a little bit of olive oil on them. Got them all cut up, ready to go. See what happens. There we go. Got onions, peppers, mushrooms in here. We're gonna saute these vegetables. Try to make us our own version of a Philly cheese sub. See how it comes out. I think it needs more oil. There we go. So we're gonna get these vegetables sauteed up and make us a sub. Cause Mama's home and she's hungry. Ooh, man, I love that smell. Some onions right there. Yes, sir. Hey, get back here. So I'm gonna turn this side over here off. I want my meat continue cooking. We're gonna saute these vegetables. I don't know about you guys, but that looks good. I mean, that looks really good. So we're gonna make us sub. Oh man, I'm dropping my vegetables. All right, get back. I'm gonna take a little bit of this meat, put it over here. Yeah, tell you what, I'm gonna grab me a lot more of this meat. Yeah, that should be good, right around there. Okay, I'm gonna grab me some of these vegetables. Put these vegetables right on there like that. That's that jalapeno right there. So we're gonna do that right there, just like that. And we're gonna add a little bit of moisture to this thing. So cover it up. Oh man, I forgot to put my cheese. No worries. We'll put that cheese on there. It's gonna melt right on there. It's gonna come out good. So got me a little bit of mayonnaise over here. Sorry guys, I like mayonnaise. I'm a mayonnaise kind of guy. Got me a nice little hoagie right here. Look at that hoagie. That bread looks good. It's fixing to get filled with some wonderfulness. Slap some mayo. If you like mayo, do me a favor. Give me a like. If you don't like mayo, well, too bad. Don't give me nothing. So, but I like mayo. Put that mayo right there. Put that right there. And let's take a look at it and see what this looks like. Oh, you saw that? Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? Oh my, the cheese is falling all out. Let me get the vegetables put back in there. Oh wow. This looks good. Alright. So there's that. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Does that look good or what? Look at the cheeses all on there, on the vegetables. Yes, sir. That looks good. It's time to give it a little taste test. Put that meat back in there like that. Get in there. There we go. Let me lower this down some, because I got to make some more of these for inside. Yes, sir. I don't know which side to start on. Yeah, start on this side. That is good. Oh my god, look at the cheese falling out the back. Yeah, see that? I'm gonna pick that up, put that back in there. Good stuff here, guys. Oh my god. I could use a beer. I ain't got none. Let me wipe my face. But there it is, guys. Philly cheese sub. Done JP style. Looking good. I should put some more cheese on it. I think the next ones I'm going to put some more cheese. So if you like what I'm doing here, do me a favor right there in the corner. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that bell. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And of course, I appreciate you guys very much. If you have not gone to my webpage, I'm going to put a link right here to my webpage where I sell all my products. JPAP is just, you know, one of those things that I sell, but I got other products there. Currently, I'm out of the sexy chicken. That's one of my top sellers, but I got an order coming in, so it should be soon, guys, that I get that sexy chicken back in stock. Want to thank my subscribers, want to thank my viewers, and I most definitely want to thank my Patreons. If you haven't been to my Patreon account, I'm gonna link that right here also. It'll pop up right there. You gotta go check out my Patreon account if you're interested in supporting this channel, helping it out. Be greatly appreciated. It helps support the channel. And if you feel like you want to participate, come on in. Become a JP fan. Besides that, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. Oh, well, hold on a second. I gotta give thanks to my Patreons. Ben Lee, Maria Balderas, Leticia Vallejo, Sam Santos, and Billy Walsh. Okay? Join the crew, guys. Patreon, JP BBQ. Check it out. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all.